Hey, welcome to Math with Cowboy J. I'm Cowboy J, doing math the fun and easy way. Let's get into it. Today is finding the multiples of one or more numbers. Multiples. Multiple means to multiply. So when they ask you to find the multiples of a number, it means to multiply. So for example, find the first 5 multiples of 3. So I'm going to set the problem up. I'm going to write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then I'm going to put a multiplication sign, and then I'm going to write a 3. Then I'm going to do my facts. 3 times 1 is 3. 3 times 2 is 6. 3 times 3 is 9. 3 times 4 is 12. 3 times 5 is 15. So those are the first 5 multiples of 3. Okay. Let's do it again. So we're going to, again, the first 5 multiples, we're going to change it from 3. Let's take out 3 and let's see if we can find the first 5 multiples for 4. So again, what am I going to write? That is correct. I'm going to write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Multiplication sign. I'm finding multiples of what number? 4. So I'm going to read 4 times 1, 4. That is correct. 4 times 2, 8. That is correct. 4 times 3. You said 12. That is correct. 4 times 1. I'm sorry, 4 times 4. If you said 16, that would also be correct. And 4 times 5 is 20. So those are the first 5 multiples of 4. Okay? So that's finding the multiple of one number. If they ask you to find the multiple of more than one number, say 2 numbers, 3 numbers, then we're going to go at it same way. The only thing that might change is how far we have to go out with our multiplying. So we always do the first 5. The first 5 don't work, then we go 6, 7, 8, 9. So let's say that they're asking us to find the, so let's say the question says, it says, what multiple is shared? All right, let me take that back. I'll make it. What is the first multiple shared by 3 and 9? So we're going to write out the same thing again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Same time sign. I'm going to write 3 and I'm going to write 9. 3 times 1 is 3. 9 times 1 is 9. These numbers don't match, so that's not the first pair that they share. I'm going to take 3 times 2, which is 6. I'm going to take 9 times 2, which is 18. I now have 4 numbers, a 3, a 6, a 9, and 8. I'm trying to find a number at the top with the 3s that also matches a number at the bottom with the 9s. 3 times 3 is 9. 9 times 3 is 27. Does anybody see a number in the 3s that's also the same number in the 9? If you said 9, you would be correct. So the first multiple shared by 3 and 9 is 9. Do they share other multiples? Yes, but we only ask for the first. So they ask for the first, that's the one they want. Let's try 2 more numbers. Again, what's the first multiple shared between 6 and 8? So what am I going to write out? I'm going to set up and write out what? That is, you are correct. I'm going to write out 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. My time sign, my 6, and my 8. 6 times 1 is 6. 8 times 1 is 8. No match. 6 times 2 is 12. 8 times 2 is 16. No number at the top matches the number at the bottom. 6 times 3 is 18. 8 times 3 is 24. No number at the top, no number at the bottom that match. So we continue. 6 times 4 is 24. 8 times 4 is 32. Does anybody see a match? I heard somebody say 24 and 24. That is correct. So the first multiple shared by 6 and 8 would be 24. Now, do they share other multiples? Yes. But right now, we only want the first multiple that they share. So remember, play your card game, study your math facts, and let's make math fun and easy. Until next time, this is Cowboy J saying have a nice day. Peace.